Hi, I'm Dr. Druv and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a channel not on medicine, but all the other aspects needed to live our medicine lives. Today, we're going to be talking about what is an asset. We understand the importance of this in our financial planning and managing our finances, and so assets are a key part of that. An asset is something that has value and can be owned, such as cash, investments, property, and businesses. They can generate income, appreciate in value, or both. It puts money into your pocket. So Robert Kiyosaki has stated many times that it is important to summarize the definition of asset and a liability. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket, whereas liability is something that puts money out of your pocket. It increases your probability of getting closer to your goal, like retirement. So why are assets important? Well, assets are important because they can provide financial security, generate passive income, and help you achieve your financial goals, such as saving for retirement, paying off debt, or buying a home. Assets can provide financial stability in case of unexpected events, such as illness, job loss, or any other financial hardships that the pandemic has shown us. It is essentially, we're living in a world of money, capitalism, and finances, and so this is the way, essentially, like physics, this is how the world is designed, at least from a financial perspective, and assets form a part of those finances. So it's important to know what they are and what it is, and it's easy to understand. If something is putting money into your pocket, then it's an asset. This is the reason why Robert Kiyosaki says that your house is not an asset, because generally most people, when they get a house, get a mortgage, and when they get a mortgage, they pay into that mortgage. So essentially money is coming out of your pocket and into the bank's pocket, which is the reason why for the bank it's an asset, while as for you it is a liability until the house is paid, and at which point I suppose you could do a reverse mortgage or borrow against the equity in the house. So at that point the money is coming into your pocket. At that point it may become an asset. Now this separates itself from the emotional aspect of owning a home, or the safety that a home provides for the family, and the drive that we have in our society to own a home as opposed to renting a home. I mean, I could talk about this all day, but essentially that simple definition helps me understand what an asset or liability is. And I would agree with Robert Kiyosaki that your house is not an asset until it reaches a point where it generates an income for you or has appreciated in value in certain markets like Toronto or California, where at that point the income could come to you. So how does one obtain an asset? Well, it's important to find out whether something, whether it's an action or cash or an investment, is an asset or a liability, because sometimes it is not that clear and it could be aspects of both, like our home. But to increase our assets, it's important to focus on saving and investing. This can include creating a budget or profit loss statement, setting financial goals, and regularly contributing to whatever saving strategy you're using, savings account or investment account. Now, you have to understand that there are 100 ways you could organize this, but the first thing that it starts with is saving. A lot of people focus on what is the best investment, what is the highest rate of investment that I could get, but I would say that the first important thing to realize is your ability to earn an income is the greatest asset in this world, and that income, when saved, results in your ability to build wealth much faster than any option out there, including investments. Now, business is an extension of you, and that's a whole other topic on itself. It's important to recognize that these are complex topics, and if you're having difficulties, you do or you should consider some professional advice, financial advisors, accountants, and so on. Another strategy, obviously, that we talked about is increasing your income through career advancement, additional education, or starting a side business, which is an extension of you. This can help generate income and increase your assets. Wow, and that's exactly 5 minutes. So on that note, in conclusion, assets are things that have value and they can be owned. They could include anything like cash, investments, property, businesses, your income, your life. And essentially, it can provide financial security, generate passive income, and help achieve your financial goals and your family's financial goals. And it puts money into your pocket. It is the way we live in this world, the way things are designed and how assets are fit in that design. And a healthy balance of assets can provide financial stability, which is important for our long-term goals. And so hopefully this serves as a summary of this pretty complex topic and provides to you in succinctness. So a few action items. If you'd like to follow the exact frameworks used by affluent physicians to take back control of their time and money, then check out the link in the description below. I make these videos because I'm passionate about helping 10,000 physicians fight burnout across this world. And I wanted to start the journey with you because I was looking for someone to hold my hands during this wealth building journey. Come and join my free Facebook group of like-minded physicians, where I'm going to share resources, cheat sheets, and everything in between to live our best medicine lives. On that note, thank you very much for listening. Thank you for doing what you're doing. And I'll see you in the next episode.